Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone is online and updated, because account sync depends on current iOS. Once done, open Settings and tap Mail, then Accounts. This is faster than launching apps first. You'll see an Add Account option. Tap it to create or connect a Gmail account. Make sure you have your Gmail address and password ready, and if you use two-step verification, have your phone or Authenticator app nearby so you can finish signing in without delays. You'll select Google from the list and enter your Gmail credentials. Allow the requested permissions so Mail can access messages and folders. Once authenticated, toggle Mail on to sync email and optionally contacts and calendars if you want unified data. After that, tap Accounts Fetch New Data to choose Push or a Fetch schedule. Push gives immediate delivery, Fetch saves battery with intervals. Make sure your primary inbox folder is selected, so you should open the Mail app now and confirm new Gmail messages arrive. Check labels and folders to ensure proper mapping. Then customize notifications, signature, and swipe actions in Mail settings so you work faster. If messages don't show, make sure your password is current and re-authenticate in settings. Check Gmail account security for blocked sign-ins or app-specific passwords. If two-factor blocks access, complete verification on your other device. These steps resolve most sync or login problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.